Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Messenger keeps stopping problem. If you're trying to use your Facebook Messenger like you normally do, but you are not being able to do that since it keeps stopping or crashing, watch the video till the end to solve the problem, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Facebook Messenger keeps stopping and you are not being able to use it on a regular basis, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try turning on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also try switching between them and find the stable connection for yourself. Once you have a stable internet connection, or if you think you have a stable internet connection, tap open your Messenger app. You can refresh your main chat page for Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If it works for you, then that's great. You can stop right there and start using your Messenger. But if it still does not work, then the next thing you can try out is to make sure that you've updated your Messenger app to the latest version. Tap open Play Store and search for Messenger in the search bar. Once you find the Messenger app, if you see an open button, it means you've already updated your application and you don't need to be doing that right now. You can skip this step and move forward to the next one. But if you see an update button popping up right next to the app, you can tap on that button and download the latest version of Messenger. Once you have the latest version, you can now go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. Sometimes, because of the bugs that are accumulated in your older version of Facebook Messenger, might be the main reason you're not being able to use your Messenger like you were supposed to. Your Messenger might keep stopping and crashing during the process. If your Messenger still keeps stopping and you're not being able to solve the issue, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you have updated your Android device to the latest version. Go to Settings. In order to check that, give it a tap, and now from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Software Update. Now tap on Download and Install, and if there is any update available, you'll be able to see it right here in this page. If your software is up to date, you'll be able to see this level right here that says your software is up to date. If not, download the latest software for your Android and go back to Messenger to see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, you can try clearing the data and cache from your Messenger app. Go to the app drawer and spot Messenger from the app drawer. Press hold to the app and tap on App Info. Tap on Storage from the App Info area, and now tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and tap on OK in the pop-up. Remember that you must know your Messenger account's credentials in order to log into it again, since you'll be wiping out all of the data, including files, settings, accounts, and databases from the app if you tap on OK in the pop-up right now. Once you do that, go to Messenger and log into your account again and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Messenger application to the fullest and it keeps stopping and crashing. That was how you can easily solve the issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.